So this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. And the STX Appearance Package gives you things such as a unique grille, rims, black accents, and black interior cloth. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And with the black cloth, as I mentioned, you also have vinyl flooring that's easier to clean. And in the middle, you have 2 cup holders, 12-volt power outlet, as well as USB and USB-C. Now looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features and settings, your fuel economy, eco coach, comm screen. Then you can also go into further information and settings. Then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have your auto start stop shut off, as well as your camera view again, hazards, and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. Then moving on to the right here, you have a 12 volt as well as USB and USB-C. And down here you have another USB and USB-C. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then onto your center console area, where you've got 2 cup holders, a large bin, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, and I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.